This is Dollar Kennard Custom Farms product. Uh, we're going to demonstrate the way that you, first of all, let's talk about the safety of this here propane tank. This is a heater that's sitting on top here that you can get your hand warm and all that. But one of the things about this here is that when this thing is lit, do not back up to it, because if you got loose fitting clothes on, you're going to get burnt. Somebody gonna get burned or somebody gonna get hurt. So you got to be careful with all that. You got to have strict precaution on the team leader will designate someone exactly who is going to be in charge of lighting it and everything. So you have to notice one thing, is that when this is lit, it should never be left unlit. If you leave it for any extended period of time, especially during break, let's go ahead and cut it off. Okay, we'll show you how to start it up, and we'll show you how to cut it off. Right here, it got the instructions on the top up here. Exactly, you turn it and it'll open up. And when you do that, this here is another instruction here to let you know where to turn it on, low, medium, or high. We're gonna put it on medium. And when you do that, this is the recommended use that light is this with. And that way that you won't get your hand too close to the flame. Right here, you match this button in, and once you match this button in, then you can light it. The wind blowing up. You definitely have to hold this down for an extended period of time in order for it to really catch on fire. Because it's cold, it take a while. Like anything else, take a little while to get it started. And once you get it started, you continue this, holding this down until you see red. You got to have a good portion of red before you turn it loose. And that way that you'll know it. If you can notice, see how red it done turned? So I think it's safe to turn this button to loose, and it should stay lit.